I'll have to see, like, stand up to see if it's pointing straight.
Are the numbers moving? I'm just making sure because I can't
Yeah.
see it. Okay. Well, let's go.
My ammo's rattling too much.
What?
My ammo's rattling too much.
Is it? How do you think I feel? Got like 8 clips.
Well, that one fell down too. Or is this from earlier?
That was from earlier. We never set it up. Hey.
Where? Oh, I see.
I was gonna say you can't see him. Oh, it's pointed straight. What? All right.
Is that the hill where I saw you, like, slide down?
Yep. It's way down there though.
You seen him?
Hold on, I'm checking. I don't see any. I know they're in there. Yeah, no. I heard a big old, twig snap.
Where's that?
That's gonna try to flank. He looks like a African militia person. Or like terrorist.
I don't have a scope on mine, so I can't tell if they're far away or not.
And I don't see anybody, so let's go forward just a little bit.
Oh, dude, we did it at the same time. I don't know where it's supposed to be at, so.
Look for orange tips, because almost all their guns have orange tips.
Mine does too, and mine's like bright green, so.
Yeah, I know.
It's a bad thing about mine.
I'm gonna call Zach Teabag. Watch that area. Watch that area. There's an entrance that's like right ahead of us.
These bugs are killing me.
Alright, do you want to try to go in there?
If you want.
Alright.
It's up to you and follow me. You see one?
Thought I did. Behind that tree at my 12. Kind of far back there. Looks too skinny for anybody to be behind, but just checking. Okay. The teepees, like right there. 12 o'clock.
I don't see them, but I'll see them eventually.
Alright. They're probably all dug in. Pretty good too.
Only one of them, or a couple of them, because they knew they're going to try to go for the best spot they think. And that's also the most obvious, probably the TP.
Should have given Zach a walkie-talkie. Should have given Zach a walkie-talkie. Told him to rush or something. Try to get a distraction in there. Alright, you can either go in that little break there or this one.
Doesn't matter.
Go into the first one. Shit, get down. I just saw something.
You see him?
Yep. Too much shrubbery.
I don't see him.
Wait, Paul.
Huh?
I think he called hit, I'm not sure. There's another person I can see.
I don't see him.
Right at my 12. Watch my right, just in case.
saw someone go to the left.
To the left?
I'm like 12. I'm like running that way. Behind the tree. Behind the tree. Do you see him?
Yeah, I think so.
You have a scope. You can see him right behind the tree.
There's too much, cover in the way. Oh, I see somebody way down there.
Yeah. Do you see him though behind the tree?
Okay, he's taking it down. Somebody laying down. All right. We can get him right now. Let's go.
So they both hit?
Yep.
How many left? 2? I don't see anybody else.
Say it again?
You hit me like 4 times.
Oh, I didn't hear you say hit.
In the face.
All right.
You hit me twice in the face. And one
All right.
in the
Hey,
head.
someone straight back.
Straight back.
Straight back. Right over that pile. I can see their hat sticking out.
Wait, where?
Come over back here to me. I can see their hat sticking out. I can see them move back and forth a little bit.
I can't see anything.
He's right behind the tree. That tree pile.
What, way down there with the white?
To the left.
Copy. I'm not shooting at you.
Watch your head.
Take it down.
Watch your head.
All right, let's go.
Watch your head. I was about to shoot.
Oh,
You see? Nice.
take it down.
There's one left.
I think that's all cleared out.
Yeah, I've been hit, and I'm on your team too. Oh.
Friendly's in the base, Zach. Friendly's in the base.
So is that everybody or what?
I think so. Is that everybody?
Oh, there's one more person.
One more?
You already hit me.
Ooh.
That gun hurt worse than yours, Mitchell.
Say it again?
That gun hurt worse than yours.
Yeah. Alright, is that all of them?
No.
You got him? Okay, yeah.
Still one more person.
No, that guy's right there. Out.
Didn't you guys have 5 on your team?
No,
They had 4.
So they're out.
Alright. Does that mean we win that one? Because, I mean, if we got all of you, you can't medic each other.
Yeah, we know. But still, we have one more life.
Okay.
So should we just go back or?
Yeah, no. Alright, let's go. Hold on. Let me... Oh boy, just hit my hat. Yep.
Oh, that's my sniper.
It's been recording. Okay, come on, Zach.
Alright, we'll just walk back to our base and we'll just start again. Because you still got one. You still got one more life. We all got 2. So. There it is. I couldn't find it at first. So I was like crawling through and I couldn't find the bridge.
You actually got 2 people. I got 1 person.
I shot 3 people that were already out. So.
Yeah. Just making sure.
Yeah. I mean, they were walking towards me and I knew they were respawn, so I was like, dude.
Okay.
Dad, do you want the walkie-talkie?
Sure, because you'll probably do Mitchell more.
I'll show you how to turn it on in a bit, but I figured we can go to the bush and just wait until they respawn, you know,
Alex would get pissed.
and then come back up.
Just very nice.
Alex! Once we leave, just count to like 20 or something like that.
There's one kid already walking up in the woods.
Say it again? Okay.
Alright, let's go back to base.
Yeah.
Just give us still. Alright, we'll reload and then count to 20 and we should be back at our base.
I honestly can't believe I got Jacob behind that bush because I just went like this. I went,
I
shot
know,
him
you got
in the-
lucky with that one.
I shot him in the chest.
yeah, I know, I heard, I'm hit.
Yeah, I heard
What?
that.
Turn it on.
Well, I figured we could just wait until we, you know,
Oh yeah,
got
we're
back.
gonna be all together right here while we rush. I say we each get behind one of these boards and wait. Or I'll get
I
back
got
in
a
my
good
sniper.
idea of where I'm gonna go.
I'm still good on ammo.
You gonna be with him this time,
I don't know.
or do you want to go back with me again?
I can just chill with you.
Mitchell, this is really easy killing that shit.
Yeah, I know.
If I can marry on this turkey shoot.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this bag off.
I thought it would be a little bit more, you know, challenging. He was aiming his gun right at me whenever I was behind the tree.
I don't know. I saw one of them go right past me when he was shooting at us.
It's hot as full.
And it went like in between me and you.
Yeah.
I'm about to take all this shit off. Like you can see my sniper barely.
I know, I was gonna go in there.
You see my sniper laying there?
Yep. Dude, we could fool somebody with that.
Yeah, I'm all eat that. Keep going and forget it.
Alright.
If I wanted to, I could prop up my little M16 beside the plywood, but a little bit in the bushes.
Okay. I don't know, I think that's pretty good. From a distance, that looks like Zach's just sitting there.
It really does. I didn't even see that till just now.
Yeah, but it's hard to see that.
Anybody need water? I got a little pouch of
Some
water. What?
I could go for some water.
Alright, hold on. Let's get back down here and just like sit down or something.
What about, I'm gonna stand these up.
I'm sitting in the shade.
I gotta get a picture of us still before we leave,
Alright.
so I can post it on Facebook.
Jeez. Dude, burning up.
We walked into a spider web. Oh, I forgot I had a pistol. It's
Yeah.
odd though for me trying to grip it like that.
It's a single action.
I was
though.
gonna turn it upside down that we could just reach down like this.
Yeah, it's easier if it is.
I don't know why you told me to have it like this. I don't like it like this.
You can put it however you want. I was just saying that it might be easier that way.
Not for me. It feels awkward to me. Too awkward. My britches are falling down.
I don't know how cold this water's gonna be. Yeah, it's kind
You
of
gotta
warm.
pee?
No, my freaking.
Yeah, if you gotta pee, just go
it
ahead.
won't stop. I haven't stopped since this morning.
What is it?
It itches
What?
down there. It won't stop.
What itches?
I did. What else?
I don't know.
You can waterfall it, you can drink from it, I don't care. You want some?
Yeah, why not?
Ooh.
That's a cool water pouch.
Yeah. Alex got it.
And
We got two of them, we got one for me and one for him.
I'm gonna leave my pants on, but that jacket. I could lay this behind
Good old
my gun.
H2O.
I could lay this behind my gun.
Did
Yeah,
you lay
good.
that plywood over? I could stick my M16, prop it up against it.
Hold on. If they come around the corner, but they won't be close enough. I'm gonna leave my bag right here because I don't like the rattling.
This rattles like crazy.
Dude, I'm surprised that we got in the base without actually getting shot. No?
Huh?
Me and Austin, I mean, we had a hard time last time.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
There's people all over the place. Although that time it might have been a
I
little
don't
worse.
know if they're ready.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I'm not gonna sit at my sniper up.
Alright.
I'm gonna have it just like this. You could just.
Where is my? I'm putting this back on. I like being camouflage.
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 Is the battery in already and everything? I just gotta.
There is no battery.
I think
there's
I'm
a
gonna
single
take
action.
that-
Huh?
It's a single action spring.
So I can just keep pulling the trigger?
Hey Mitchell, you
No,
told me
you
to take my sniper.
pull the trigger,
and my-
cock it, pull the trigger.
Hey
Oh.
Mitchell.
I don't think it's cocked already. Let me see it.
Michelle.
No,
Michelle.
it's not. Alright.
And then you just.
Miss Michelle.
Oh,
It's actually pretty active too.
shit.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah.
That's
It's
it.
pretty nice.
It's really
They're
light
probably
though. I
just
don't like
gonna
that.
sneak
Here's
up on
the
us just
mag,
to-
of course.
You know they're probably gonna sneak up on us, not even tell us they're ready, right?
Yeah, probably. They can't go around though, so we're pretty much good.
Did Kevin say that?
Yeah, because we can't go by the houses. Kind of thing. Because that's a really good way to get around them.
That's what I did once.
We could do what you did last time. If they're walking up here, we can hide down on the hill.
That's
Like
what
you
I think I'm gonna go down there a
Alright. You want backup or anything?
You can.
You want this?
Turn it on.
Alright. Maybe. Hopefully it's not dead. If it's dead, I'm screwed. Shoot.
Is it dead?
I think so. Yep, it's dead.
That's fine.
It sucks.
It's a dud.
It's a dud. Put it in there.
I don't want to lose my phone, that'd be bad.
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it alright?
You'd be able to find it easy though.
Yeah, we can just call it.
Dude, there's sweat on my phone.
Alright, you wanna go?
Let's see why not.
Are they? Alright.
I'm alright.
Apparently.
Yeah, they're kind of.
Where are they?
They're all in a little group.
Oh yeah, I see them.
I don't. Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm going where I'm
Watch out, Alex is coming.
I'm going where I'm gonna go.
He's firing over here. He's just spraying.
That's all he knows to do. Hey, somebody stay. Okay, yeah.
Hey, ceasefire, ceasefire. Ceasefire, get down.
At this moment, my friend is signaling that he
Kristen,
sees me,
open fire.
but he's actually seeing my friend Zach's, aka Teabag's, sniper.
Cover, cover.
Hey, Mitchell.
Huh?
What's to your left?
Huh?
Do you have a battery on you?
No.
Where's it at?
Down at the house.
I'll just use my
I
pistol.
don't see anybody.
Alright. They're way back there by the trees.
Awesome.
They can't get us from here.
Yeah, I can't reach them either. So how are we gonna do this?
Guys, I'm gonna go on this side.
Apparently they can reach.
Mine won't reach. That's bullshit.
Aim up from where you're aiming. Like where they are.
And it curves to the right.